Asking and answering questions about sleep. Hi, David. Can I ask you a few questions about your sleeping habits? Because I am trying to improve my own sleep schedule.
Of course, I would be happy to answer your questions. Because good sleep is an important part of staying healthy and productive every day.
What time do you usually go to bed on a normal weekday when you have work the next morning?
I usually go to bed around 10 o'clock because I like to get enough rest before starting a busy day.
How many hours of sleep do you normally get each night during the week?
I usually sleep for about 7 to 8 hours, which helps me feel refreshed and energetic in the morning.
Do you have any special bedtime routine that helps you fall asleep more easily?
Yes, I usually read a book for about 20 minutes and avoid looking at my phone before going to sleep.
Why do you avoid using your phone before bedtime?
I avoid using my phone because the bright screen can make it more difficult for me to relax and fall asleep quickly.
Do you ever have trouble sleeping when you feel stressed or worried about something?
Yes, sometimes stress keeps me awake, especially when I have an important meeting or deadline the next day.
What do you do when you cannot fall asleep because of stress?
I usually take slow, deep breaths and try to think about peaceful things instead of focusing on my worries.
Do you drink coffee in the evening before going to bed?
No, I avoid drinking coffee after the afternoon because caffeine can keep me awake for several hours.
What kind of environment helps you sleep well at night?
I sleep best in a quiet, dark, and cool room because it helps my body relax naturally.
Do you ever wake up during the night and have difficulty falling asleep again?
Occasionally, I wake up once during the night, but I usually fall back asleep within a few minutes.
How do you feel when you do not get enough sleep?
I feel refreshed, focused, and ready to handle all of my daily responsibilities.
How do you feel when you do not get enough sleep?
I feel tired, less productive, and sometimes a little impatient throughout the day.
Do you take naps during the day when you are feeling tired?
Yes, sometimes I take a short nap for about 20 minutes, but I try not to sleep for too long.
Why do you keep your naps short?
I keep them short because long naps can make it harder for me to fall asleep at night.
What is the longest time you have stayed awake without sleeping?
The longest time was almost 24 hours when I was traveling and dealing with flight delays.
How did you feel after staying awake for such a long time?
I felt exhausted and had difficulty concentrating on simple tasks.
Do you think sleep is more important than many people realize?
Yes, I believe many people underestimate how important sleep is for both physical and mental health.
Have you ever changed your sleeping habits to improve your health?
Yes, I started going to bed earlier and reduced my screen time before sleep.
Did those changes make a noticeable difference in your daily life?
Yes, they helped me feel more energetic and improved my concentration during the day.
What advice would you give to someone who has trouble sleeping every night?
I would suggest creating a regular bedtime schedule and avoiding caffeine late in the day.
Do you think exercise can help people sleep better?
Yes, regular exercise can improve sleep quality, although it is usually best not to exercise too close to bedtime.
How important is a consistent sleep schedule in your opinion?
A consistent sleep schedule is very important because it helps your body know when it is time to sleep and wake up.
Do you prefer sleeping with complete silence or with some background noise?
I prefer complete silence because even small noises can sometimes distract me.
Have you ever used music to help you fall asleep?
Yes, I have listened to soft, relaxing music on a few occasions when I felt restless.
What is your favorite thing about getting a good night's sleep?
My favorite thing is waking up with plenty of energy and feeling prepared for the entire day.
Thank you for answering all of my questions about sleep, because your answers were very helpful.
You are welcome, and I hope our conversation helps you develop healthy sleeping habits and enjoy better sleep every night.